Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is going to be a little series I'm going to be calling Weekly Analysis. I'm going to try to do this every single week when I have time. So guys, I'm going to be going through the pairs that I'm going to be trading, a little bit of fundamentals included as well, and then just basically my perspective on the trades and the upcoming markets, and of course the trades that I'm in as well. So guys, a little disclaimer, guys. My mic is so bad. The previous video really showed how bad my mic is. I got a new mic. I'm not sure how much of a difference it has made. I feel like it's still just as equally bad. So if you guys have really good mic recommendations, please leave in the comments. Another one is that, guys, I will be streaming every single day if I can. Not tomorrow. There is nothing that can literally move the market tomorrow, except maybe for some geopolitical things that might be advancing. But guys, they've been saying that almost all year. So I'll probably start streaming on Tuesday. I'll stream London session and New York session. I'll be trading three pairs: DAX, Nasdaq, and the S&P 500 during those sessions. So guys, in this video, I'm going to be going through the analysis that I'm going to be taking this week, of course, just like I explained. So I'm going to be starting off with NZD US dollar. Just a little bit of the fundamental side of this pair is that it has been very bearish, right? And it rightfully has been because we have had really strong NFP numbers. The CPI has been really great, and also the ISM services have been really good. As for the NZD, right, the central bank has had a rate cut by 50 basis points, so which might mean that there might be more that's coming because that is such a strong card as well. And then there was a really good strong NZD job report, of course, but it's mixed data basically, right? We have had really good NZD report. We had high PMIs, right? So it's kind of mixed with what happened with the rate cut as well. So we have had a really bearish NZD, and you can't really compete with the US dollars wrath right now. It's just been soaring, man. Have you guys seen the S&P? Man, amazing, going for new highs. So guys, I'm gonna be analyzing this pair. Let me go through it. Right, so guys, we have been in a really good bearish market going so far with this candle as well. But what I've been noticing on the monthly time frame is that we have started having a series of higher lows. Right, so usually when you see a series of higher lows, that does indicate a bullish market is about to come. So we went from having a series of lower highs going down all the way now to having a series of higher lows, and we have had, if you guys trade trend lines, 1, 2, 3, 4 touches on this right now. So I'm expecting a bullish rejection to the upside, right? So when we jump down to the weekly, on the weekly, of course, it looks much more clear. I was expecting a sort of rejection within this imbalance, which it is kind of reacting off of. But guys, I will explain when I go down on the daily why I'm not in this yet. So the market does really good. My style of trading is basically trading based off rejections from the imbalances or reactions from the imbalances. So heading down to the daily time frame, not to go through so much in one video, but guys, this was a really great reaction right here. Great reaction. I do not like this trade because the risk to reward does not make any sense to me. I really just take risk rewards that are above 2R. So I am expecting price to fall down a little bit further, right? Of course, with the NFP numbers and of course some positive data from last week, I do expecting some sort of a move to the downside before a retracement to the upside. So anywhere right here can be really good. So I'm expecting price to come down a little bit, tap into that imbalance, reject, go to the upside. And I know some guys that are trading M patterns and all of that can probably see like this move from a mile away, right? You do have an M pattern right here. I know it's not very clear. Usually those are not really clear. So we do have an M pattern right here. And what if you have been trading M patterns for such a long time is that usually after an M pattern formation, you should be expecting a retracement to the upside to test the neckline, right? The neckline of the M, and then perhaps further continuations to the upside. You really never really know with these things. Price could just potentially even reject from there and come down all the way, but by that time I'll probably be risk free. So my analysis is a buy on NZD USD, right? Tap into that imbalance, trade up all the way there, My stop loss just over here, this liquidity right here that's left over. So I'm expecting price to reject from this area right here, go up for a nice 2-hour win. So moving on, I had this pair. A friend of mine has also been analyzing this pair. Guys, she's a really good analyst. If you guys on YouTube, please hop over to Swing Success Trading. She's really good. So guys, this pair has been moving really great as well. Moving really, really good. Of course, we have a bullish US dollar. We do expect the price to kind of go, but there is so much leftover liquidity right here. I'm expecting price to come and tap into that. Perhaps after rejecting from here, we have a break of structure. We have a liquidity that was swept over here. So I'm expecting price to reject from this imbalance over here. So guys, I'm not sure exactly where would be a really good entry, but I really like this here on the daily time frame, whereby price can just tap into the imbalance over here. I know some guys that use Fibonacci's would probably draw from the highs to the lows to have an entry at the 75%, which is also good. But I really like just entering off the imbalance. The imbalance is very safe, guys. Even though the risk reward might not be as perfect as entering from a 75% level, but it's kind of worth it, man. You still do make money, so it's good. So this will be my entry on this. This is really good. I like it. There's a break of structure. I'm expecting price to have a rejection. Same thing as I am doing on the NZD US dollar, where I'm expecting a buy. So I'm expecting a sell from this right here, rejection from there. So guys, that's my analysis on this USD CAD. It's been in a bullish market. I'm expecting a rejection to have at least a lower high, and then further continuations to the downside to take out those lows. Guys, great targets I could do is after it breaks that trend line, I can definitely hold beyond that. But guys, the further I hold this, the longer it will take to go hit that target. So guys, I'm just gonna be interested in getting out over there at a nice 2.6R. Still makes my money. So we have another one over here. This is Euro USD. I really do like this as well. I am interested in this. There's an imbalance right over there, but I'm going to be very cautious with this. I have seen most of the time when the market starts to have this sort of pattern at the top right here, which is just basically consolidation. Usually when you see this, right, when you see this in the market, you do expect a longer move. It's going to take for so long. Usually all the times, even during my back testing, when I do see this type of consolidation, I do get stopped out. So I'm very cautious when it comes to this. I can perhaps let it run beyond my entry and then be a smart guy. Just place a buy stop. As soon as price starts to go up, you can tap me in and take me with it. But I know that's risky, guys. And trades that I'm not really 100% confident on, I don't tend to take them. So this one is a 50-50 right here. So I'll probably just let it go. But analysis-wise, it's in a very good bullish market right here. So I'm expecting price to come and tap into this imbalance to have a further continuations to the upside. So guys, if you're not aware with this strategy or very familiar with it, but guys, everything has been pointing to it. We have higher low right here on the monthly time frame. Weekly also showing a really good series of higher lows. So I'm expecting price to come and tap into that imbalance, which is going to be visible on the daily, of course. And then from that imbalance, I'm expecting price to go up, further continuing the bullish market that it's forming. So nothing really complicated, just very easy. I trade based off where the imbalance is. So moving on, I have a sell limit on this right now. I really do like this pair right here, very good. But same thing, right? This range, I really hate this range. Right, I really hate this range. But the only thing I really like about this pair is how bearish it has been. It's been really good. I like it. The series of lower highs have been really good. I do like that there's an imbalance on the weekly as well. Huge imbalance. So price is probably going to fill it up there, which is very close to where my entries as well. So it'll be really good. And then I have EuroCAD. So for EuroCAD, I am expecting buys as well. I'm expecting price to come back down, have a little bit of a retracement, perhaps tap into the daily imbalance, the small imbalance over there, and then go sweep that liquidity, can take out that high and then take out the other one as well, right? So that's what I'm expecting. Price did fail to go take out that liquidity at multiple rejections from there, came down, forming a good really support over here. I really like this area right here. very strong. So I'm expecting price to come, tap into that imbalance perhaps, and then go and hit that take profit or sweep that liquidity. On the 4 hour, it can be much more clear. You can take an entry from this imbalance right here on the 4 hour, or you can just take it based off where the daily is. Doesn't really matter which one you take, but they will be probably all good. So I think this is my last pair right here. Same analysis. Bullish market, expecting a retracement into my imbalance right there, and then price to shoot up from there. So imbalance is not that clear here, right? It's not as clear as it was on the EuroCAD, but it's an alternative pair to take. So I really do like this one as well. But the 4 hour shows that it has been swept. The daily still looks very clean. So I'm expecting price to retrace. Same thing as I did on the other one, retrace over here, and then go take out that high to form a new high, right? Very easy, very simple analysis. It's very simple, guys, and that's how trading should be. Shouldn't overcomplicate it with many strategies. Don't try to bring many indicators, none of that. You haven't seen me using any type of indicator. The thing that I'm having on right now is liquidity levels by Sonar Labs. So check it out if you really need that. They really do mark very good liquidity levels for you, very accurate as well. So this is a really good trade right here, 2.6R. I don't think I marked the one for EuroCAD. So let me see. Should be right over here. Very tiny imbalance. I would say the other one is probably the same. You can take the 4 hour one, but guys, I don't want to miss out on this trade. I really do like it. I want to get in as early as possible. So it's going to be right there. And these are swing trades, guys. They're going to take long. They're going to take weeks. So it'll be great to update you guys every single week on the opportunities I'm in right now. So guys, these are the only pairs I have right now. NZD USD, I am expecting a buy, right? But a further drop to the downside to tap me into that imbalance on NZD USD. USD CAD, I'm expecting a sell to tap me into that imbalance right over there. Euro USD, same thing. Waiting on this imbalance to get tapped in, but very cautiously taking this. I'm going to be waiting for a buy stop, setting a buy stop on it right after it crosses my order in the where I would have put my order. And then I'm going to jump into it. We got USD Swissy as well. Very good pair. I do hate that little range it has. Almost the same thing as Euro USD right here. But Euro USD one, it's kind of alright. It's kind of alright. And guys, as you can see, even the W pattern, you see what I mean? Price did that. If you can invert the scale on this pair, I know I'm talking a lot, but I just want to show you, right? If you invert scale, this would be an M, right? It's an M. So after that M, price, after forming this M right here, right? If you take this low over here, let me just mark it out so that you can see what I mean. So if you take that low, take the high, then you got your neck, and then break down, you got your low. So what did price do? Right after forming that M or W, same thing, it went up, right? It went up, tested the neckline, and then continued further. So that's exactly what I'm expecting on NZD-USD to occur. So guys, that's going to be my analysis. Very simple, and I hope I can see you guys during my London and New York streams on Tuesday. So I'll be live on this channel, so please guys, show up. Watch me trade, watch me either win or lose, doesn't really matter. So guys, thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe, give me a like so I can get a new mic. And then leave a comment on the pairs that you're watching. If you think that I did something wrong or you want to correct me or something, that's also cool. You can leave a comment and then I can reply and I can adjust according to that, or I can say that, oh no, I really like this and I stand by this. So we'll see. Something I've missed, you might help me. Something I didn't miss, it is what it is. But thank you guys. Thank you again for watching. Thank you to the people that liked in the last video. Thank you to the people that subscribed. I'm very happy with this channel, so I hope I can continue filming more content and uploading for you guys to get free info and anything basically. So yeah, bye.